Build anything with Qwen 3.5. Here's how. Alibaba just dropped an AI model that beats Claude and Gemini. It's open source, it's free, and it builds stuff 19 times faster. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use it. Let's go, right? Let's talk about Qwen 3.5. Because this thing just dropped on February 16th, 2026, and it is kind of a big deal. Alibaba released it, it's open weight. That means you can download it, run it yourself, and use it for free. And here's the wild part, it's beating paid models. We're talking Claude Opus and Google Gemini on real benchmarks, not made up ones. So today I'm going to show you what it is, how to set it up, and how we're actually using it to grow the AI profit boardroom. Real examples, real prompts, no fluff. Stay with me because I'm going to show you something at the 3-minute mark that's going to blow your mind. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so Qwen 3.5 is a massive AI model, 397 billion parameters total. But here's the clever bit, it only uses 17 billion at a time. It's called a hybrid MOE design, mixture of experts. Basically, it only switches on the parts of the brain it actually needs. So it's fast, like really fast. How fast? Up to 19 times faster than older Qwen models for big tasks and 60% cheaper to run than competitors. It handles text, images, videos up to 2 hours long, over 200 languages, and it can actually take actions on your computer, like clicking buttons and filling forms. That's called a visual agent. And it is wild. On the MMLU Pro benchmark, it scored 87.8%. That's higher than Claude Opus 4.5, higher than Gemini 3 Pro, and it's open source Apache 2.0 license, free to use, modify, and build on. That's what we're working with today. And here's something that really sets it apart from everything else out there right now. The context window, Qwen 3.5 supports over 256,000 tokens by default. And you can push that up to 1 million tokens with the hosted API version. What does that mean in plain English? It means you can feed it an entire book, a full code base, or hours of transcripts, and it won't forget anything. Most models choke after a few thousand words. Qwen 3.5 just keeps going. That's a massive deal if you're building anything serious with AI, right? Let's get practical. You've got two options. Option one, you just want to test it. Go to chat.qwen.ai, free demo, no setup needed. You can start using it in 60 seconds. Option two, you want to run it yourself or build with it. Here's how. First, go to Hugging Face and search for Qwen 3.5 397B A77B. That's the full model. If you've got the hardware, you can run it locally, install the package with one line, pip install transformers, then load the model in Python with a few lines of code. The GitHub repo at github.com, QwenLM Qwen 3.5 has everything, copy, paste, done. Or if you want the hosted version with a 1 million token context window and built-in tools, use Alibaba Model Studio. That's their API. Easy to connect. Now let me show you what we've actually been doing with this. Quick pause, speed. If you're watching this and you want to stay ahead of AI tools like Qwen 3.5, you need to be in the AI profit boardroom to Qwen 3.5 and type this prompt. Build me a high converting landing page for the AI profit boardroom. It needs to explain what AI automation is, why it matters for business owners, and get people to join the community. Make it persuasive, simple, and punchy. And it built it, like actually built it. Full HTML, clean design, copy that sells. It wrote the headline, the benefits section, the call to action, everything. That would have taken a designer and a copywriter hours, maybe days. Qwen 3.5 did it in about 30 seconds. And this is the thing people miss. It's not just writing text. It's building real stuff, code, apps, pages, agents, all of it. And the crazy thing is, it didn't just write generic copy. It asked me clarifying questions first. It wanted to know the audience, the tone, the main pain point we solve. Then it built the page around those answers. That's not a basic chatbot response. That's strategic thinking. It's the kind of output you'd expect from a senior copywriter who actually understands marketing. Except it took 30 seconds and cost basically nothing. Second example, I gave it this prompt. Create a 30-day content plan for the AI Profit Boardroom. The goal is to grow our community, attract business owners who want to use AI, and position us as a go-to resource for AI automation. It gave me 30 days of content. Each post had a topic, a hook, a format, and a goal. LinkedIn posts, YouTube ideas, email subjects, all mapped out. That's a full month of content done in under a minute. Now imagine doing that every month for every platform with zero burnout. That's what Qwen 3.5 makes possible. Third example, this one's powerful. I told it. Design a lead generation automation system for the AI Profit Boardroom. We want to capture leads from YouTube, nurture them with email and convert them into community members, map out the full workflow with tools and steps. It designed the whole system, lead magnet ideas, email sequences, tool stack, triggers, follow-up logic. A consultant would charge thousands for that. Qwen 3.5 built it in seconds. And because it understands code, it can even help you actually build the automations, not just plan them. What I love about this is that it doesn't just give you a pretty diagram and call it a day. It actually explains why each step matters. It tells you which tools to connect, what order to do things in, and where most people get stuck. It's like having a systems consultant sitting next to you who has read every automation playbook ever written. And for anyone trying to grow the AI Profit Boardroom or any online community, having that kind of clarity on your lead gen system is everything. Most people fail at lead gen, not because they lack the tools, but because they don't have a clear process. Qwen 3.5 gives you the process in minutes. Now, I want to be clear about something. I'm not saying ditch every other AI tool you use. Claude is still great for long-form writing. GPT is solid for general tasks. But when it comes to building things, running agents, and handling multimodal inputs all in one place without paying through the nose, Qwen 3.5 is right at the top, especially if you're someone who wants to run AI workflows without being locked into one expensive platform. The open source angle is huge. You can self-host it, customize it, and build on top of it however you want. That kind of flexibility is rare. Here's one more thing that most people haven't tried yet. Qwen 3.5 can watch videos up to 2 hours long. Let me be straight with you. There are a lot of AI models right now. Claude, Gemini, GPT, Mistral. It's a lot, but Qwen 3.5 stands out for a few big reasons. It's open source, so you own your stack and there's no lock-in. It's 19 times faster for big jobs, which matters when you're running automations at scale. It's 60% cheaper than competitors, and that adds up fast. It handles text, images, video, and code all in one, and it can take actions, not just answering questions, but actually doing things, clicking, typing, building, automating. For anyone building AI systems for their business, this is a serious tool. And look, we are only scratching the surface here. There are people using Qwen 3.5 to build full SaaS apps from a single prompt. Others are running it as an autonomous agent that manages workflows 24/7. In a future video, I'm going to show you how to set up a fully autonomous AI agent using Qwen 3.5, one that runs in the background and handles tasks for you automatically. That video is going to be huge, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Okay, let's wrap this up. Qwen 3.5 is out now. It's free, it's fast, and it's genuinely one of the best AI models available right now. 3.5 was tested on SWE Bench and Terminal Bench, which are real-world software engineering benchmarks. Not toy problems, actual coding tasks that developers face every day, and it performs at the top of the leaderboard. So if you've ever wanted to build a custom tool, a dashboard, an internal app, or even just automate a repetitive task with a script, Qwen 3.5 can help you do that, even if you're not a developer. You describe what you want in plain English, and it writes the code. You don't need to know Python. You don't need to know how APIs work. You just need to know what problem you're trying to solve. And if you want the full SOPs, workflows, and 100+ AI use cases, join the AI Success Lab. That's our free community of over 40,000 people who are using AI every day to build smarter businesses. All the notes from this video are in there too, links in the comments and description. Drop a comment below and let me know. What would you build first with Qwen 3.5? Julian reads every single one. See you in the next one.